Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this notebook personal laptop. All right, so really cool. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what's inside. So it's made by RUMTUK, R-U-M-T-U-K. Comes with your manual right there. Laptop's in there. What I love is that it comes with a mouse here. Comes with your power adapter and this nice little mouse pad. So let's put all that off to the side and go ahead and check it out, folks. Opening it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That is slick looking. Look at that. That's only about 3/4 of an inch, maybe a 1/2 inch thick. Looks really nice. Feels like high quality. It's got rubberized feet on it, or silicone feet. Let's go ahead and put that off to the side. Opening it up. Look at that. That's beautiful. Got a large touchpad. It's got nice full keyboard. Nice rubberized buttons. Large screen right here. It's an Ultra HD, I believe, screen. And let's go ahead and power this up and see how it performs here. We'll look up the system information if it starts quick enough. First things first, let's get it plugged in. I love that it comes with a mouse. I know you can use the touchpads on these, but I am a traditional mouse type of guy, especially with the amount of work I do. So I definitely, look, it even has a built-in ground. That's interesting. Okay, so we're gonna plug that in. And then we're gonna plug it into the adapter here. Nice long cord on this too, by the way. Pull that out. And we're going to plug it in. Now it has a headphone jack, a USB-A jack, a micro SD card jack. I like seeing that. USB-A, HDMI, USB-C, and then your DC port on the left side. Built-in speakers as well. Power button's in the upper right. That's interesting. Just a button up there. Just touch it. Okay, it features an AMD Ryzen processor, I believe, so that's a really good. AMD makes some good stuff. Let's go ahead and see what happens here. I'm gonna dim that light just a touch so you can maybe see just a little bit better. Oh, right there. Okay, so it's going to have me log. Oh my goodness, look at that. Opens right up to Windows. That is beautiful. Beautiful, super quick. I'm impressed. Looks like it even comes with Word, Microsoft Edge. Wow, this is incredible. Let's look up the system information here. Boom. We got Windows 11 Pro, 64-bit based PC. This features a AMD Ryzen 7 5700U with Radeon graphics card, or with Radeon graphics, excuse me. 1801 megahertz, 8 cores, 16 logical processors. This is a good laptop. Wow. 16 gigabytes of RAM. Wow. I am impressed with this laptop. And it is fast, it is responsive, it is easy to use. Very nice. Yep, nice responsive mouse. Very nice. Clear display. I love this thing. It was sent to us for review.